Oh, yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, today I'm on the Blackstone. I'm making a Blackstone Griddle Roux. Hey, this is a Cajun roux. Follow me along, child. Hey, got my little rag here for the sweat. You know what I mean. Anyway, I'm making a roux out here on my griddle. It's perfect. It's gonna be perfect by the time I'm done. And it's a Cajun roux. That's the kind that Mama taught me how to make. Hey, this little roux gonna go into a seafood gumbo. So it's gonna be good, Chef. Hey, it's Chef Bourque. Let's get the show on the road. All right, we're gonna go ahead and make some roux, Cajun roux. First thing I want to do, this has been lit for a little while, but I'm gonna lower my fire, because I don't need a real hot fire. I got 3/4 of a cup of cooking oil. I want to stay away from that little drain over there. I'll be using that. And I'll be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And the griddle is a little hot. You can see how that is. And that's good. And we're going to make a Cajun roux, Shay. Cajun roux on the bayou. Hot dang. I've got my gumbo pot in the kitchen right now. It's in there doing its thing. And I've got a little bit of something on all my burners. And you'll never normally see me do this, but I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and make it on my griddle, my Blackstone. And it's going to take a few minutes because everything has to mix real good. It's like if it was in a skillet. Oh yeah, that oil is picking up the flour. And that's terrific. That's what I want. I don't have much lead of an edge right on this side, but that's okay. I'm going to try to move it all to the center. Once that oil mixes up, it'll stay in the center. Yeah, it's going to town, Chad. Going to town. Pick this up. I'm trying not to use this because of the noise level. Do your thing, baby. Now that it's starting to mix real good, it's starting to brown a little bit. See that? It's starting to brown a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add another cup of flour. Oh, look at it going. Actually, I'm going to add about, another half a cup. About a half a cup of flour. We still got a lot of oil here. Add a little bit more flour and I'm going to end up with that 3/4 of a cup. 1 3/4 cup to 3/4 cup of oil. Now we're getting some roux making here. Starting to brown. Starting to brown good. And here starting to brown good. Right. One more thing I want to do. It's the way Mama used to do it, baby. Put me a couple onions in there. And I'm going to shut her down. It's off. The onions are going to cook. And at the same time, put some liquid in there to cool that roux off. Oh yeah, boy, if you can smell this right now. God damn. Naturally, you can add more oil, you can add more flour, and make you a whole bunch. Fire's off. I'm just pushing this on the side. The cooking has slowed down tremendously due to the addition of the onions, of course. Blackstone did its roux. Cajun roux. You don't want onions? Don't add onions. This is the way I do it. This is the way Mama taught me. All right, Chef Bourque. Hey, it's done, Chef. Hot dang. Well, the roux is done, Chef. Let me take it easy, Chef. Enjoy the video. Hope you like it. Subscribe. Hey, come on over and get some gumbo with me. Bye, Chef.